that money may right they rush.
Yes.
Wait up. That's why I say wait up. I got wait. Then go buy some clothes. They buy things about 400 and something.
Yeah, you want for us to go this place? Yeah, man. Okay.
About 414,000.
In 500 meters, make a U-turn.
I see that. Okay. Now, Polish, he go there. He go stop. Now I say, how much you want bring? I want like 15K. Now I say, may you use your mind. You get me?
Yes.
And the guy go transfer 30,000 cash. 30,000.
Wow.
Make a U-turn.
Now I go tell the guy, say, if you want buy quality clothes, he gave you the sell for 80 billion. I say high quality clothes. Now there they sell them.
Yes.
Maybe the guy you only collect money, although you
Right
are
onto
good.
Boundary Road.
Just go. I got take and go there. I think I'll go come. He can give me 15,000 every copy for 45,000.
In 100 meters,
You get me?
turn
No,
right
Yes.
after Prestige
That normal,
Hotel onto Palmer
that
Road.
ocean, I think I'll go last.
Turn right
Now,
after
if I went
Prestige Hotel
where
onto
but
Palmer Road.
because he don't give me that 30K, I just take and say normal. You get me?
Continue
Yes.
on Palmer Road for 2
The rest of this
kilometers.
one, maybe they take round.
Shit is there.